Today we are somewhere on the road between Potchefstroom and Ventersdorp. Yes, and you can smell trouble miles away. This is me, and I'm going to show you my own little invention. I call it the driver's license scanner. You see, I insert someone's driver's license in here, then secretly activate a flashing invalid sign and pull the license out at the bottom. A fake one, of course. The real one is sitting safely inside the scanner. Now you believe me, I took out a huge life insurance policy for this one. Ish!
Good afternoon, sir. How are you? Where do you come from to where you're going now?
Kom van Ventersdorp.
Okay, so you are going to Ventersdorp.
No, I'm coming from Ventersdorp.
And who?
Don't you know where Ventersdorp is?
Ventersdorp, I know. What you talk? Don't be cheeky with me, okay? Don't be cheeky with me. Where's your driver's license?
In my pocket.
Can I see it, please? I am testing the license for legitimacy. Thank you. What is your name?
Ben Gereling.
Greling.
Yeah.
Greling. Invalid. Get out of your car, please. Where did you get the license?
Randfontein.
Where? But which municipality of Randfontein?
Yeah.
Your license is illegitimate. It is all over South Africa. You cannot drive around with this license. You did not get it from the municipality. You got it from somebody else. Yes, come. Come the wheel. Where did you buy this license?
I didn't buy this license.
Which is the person that you buy this license from? I want to know. Because it's not legitimate. It's not legitimate, okay? Hey!
My license, no.
You don't assault an officer of the law, okay? You don't assault an officer of the law.
And you?
No, I'm not assaulting you. You went like that to me.
Hey!
Yeah, right. Okay. Don't. Right. No, okay. This is Leon Schuster. Tali cameras.
Kan jy Afrikaans praat?
No, Bicky.
Nou ja, ek het Afrikaans. Jy het my gestop, dan praat jy met my Afrikaans, want ek is Afrikaans spreker.
I'm sorry, but I'm asking you, what is on the bakkie? Not that you can cheek me.
Nou ek sê nou vir jou, dit niks met jou wat jy moet aan my bakkie is nie. Dis my goed hierdie.
Can I search your bakkie?
Wat wil jy sê?
Give me your license, please. This license is not valid.
Sê wie?
It is not.
Hey, ek sal jou moer
It
man.
is not valid, okay?
My donors en jy die
It is not valid. And now I will look on top.
Jy's 'n f***olie, kyk man, ek sal jou bliksem.
Because what is in here? What is in there?
Hey, ek sal jou moer net. Jy het my mooi gehoor. Jy kan nie my donors en jy die tik nie man.
I can do what I want to do your license.
Hey,
Okay.
kyk hoe hierso.
Daar's 'n camera daar.
Wat 'n kamera?
Hey, my camera.
Jou kamera.
Leon Schuster. En daar. Excuse my bel. Daar.
Jou bliksem. Ja man.
I have to do that, sir, because your license is invalid. Oh, shit. Okay, sorry. Okay, sorry, Leon Schuster. Laat die camera, sorry. Can you roll your window down for me, please? You should know to present your driver's license before I ask for it. Okay. Okay, you should know. No! Okay, it's Leon Schuster. It's Leon Schuster. Sorry, my bro. Daar is die camera.
Wat kan dit zijn? Hey boer, show me your driver's license.
Jy's ongeskik man. Praat mooi en dan kry jy my license.
Don't cheek me. Frankly, I was heart full of getting hit all over the show on this day. So I made very sure this Burki was not going to assault me. Yes. Yasinda!
Unabakava. Maar daar die taxi driver het my laat skrik.
Het jy laat skrik? Ek dog hy skiet my. Hier's my license.
Where are you from?
Parys.
This license is a fake. Where did you get it?
In die Vrystaat.
In Paris.
Ja.
Well, I'm telling you now, this license is not valid, and I am cutting it up.
You see, my people, you don't mess with a Rambo cop.
I cannot let you drive with this license. Okay? Because you, Boere, what you do is you cheat the licenses from other people and you make a fake license. That is why I've cut it up. Clamp the wheel. They bullshitted you, say, I'm sorry. What now? I cut up your license, what now?
No, I saw you cut up my license.
Number one, you are under arrest. And I'm smiling if I say that because I am sorry for you. You see. Number two, you've got no license. And number three, you must do what they tell you to do there because we don't take fingerprints like in the old days anymore. We've got another way. Because people, are you good for that? Okay. Let us walk you to that tent over there.
Now, this poor man, he looked so gullible and sincere that I decided I'm going to push my luck to the very limit. Shame.
Mrs. Van Skalbeek.
Hallo. Ek het jou ID-nommer nodig asseblief.
52
Aha.
05
Aha.
03
Ja.
5165
Aha.
083.
Meneer Snyman.
Ja.
Omdat daar so baie korrupsie in Suid-Afrika is kriminele besig om die vingerafdrukke te vervals. So die enigste manier wat ons nou kan uitken wat is reg en wat is verkeerd, is om 'n foto te neem van jou private dele. Want nie een van hulle lyk dieselfde nie. In die hele wêreld. Gaan vir my agtertoe en die flash is ook aan. En jy moet asseblief jou broek heeltemal uittrek, hoor, anders kan ons nie sien nie.
Hoe moet ek nou...
Trek net jou broek af, meneer, en vat asseblief 'n foto van jou private dele. Dankie.
Waar moet ek hom druk? Poes.
Ja. Baie dankie, hoor.
Okay, done. Thank you, Mr. Snelan. Yeah, you are a very good South African citizen. You know what I like about you. You are a law-abiding citizen.
Ja.
Yes, he comes in here. We learn the new way of fingerprints. He does it, you know. I cut up his license. He understands. Maybe someone in South Africa has corrupted his mind, you know. Has given him a fake license. But then on the other hand, I've got another one that I quickly made for you. Because you see, this is just a joke. And my name is Leon Schuster. Leon. Jy's 'n moerse sport, jy hoor. Jy's 'n moerse.
Ek weet jy gaan weer van dit uitvang.